Hello, guys, from the basement of my home. I hope everybody's doing well. Thought I'd take this time to give you a little video tutorial. If you've never done Zoom before or Google Classroom, I only have 15 minutes. I'm going to try to fit it all in here. Once I send this to you, you can watch it over and over, and hopefully this will help you navigate these two places. We haven't actually been told exactly what we can use, but these are two of them right now that are pretty definite that we're going to be able to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply get on the internet, and we'll start with Zoom. So this is how you'll do Zoom. You'll just go up to the address bar and you're going to type in Zoom, and then you can. I've already been on there, or if you just want to go to Google and pick it, but you're going to look up Zoom meetings. That's not what I want. Sorry. Let's just do this. So we'll just go to Google, type in Zoom, and you're going to go to Zoom video conferencing. Now, for you guys, I've already signed up, so I'll just sign in. But what you would do is you would come over here, you'd sign up for free. It's going to ask you for an email address, and it's going to ask you for a password. Once you've done that, I'll show you what it'll look like. So I'm going to sign in here really quick. So this is what your screen will look like after you've hit signed up and entered your address and your password. It's going to show you this. It's going to say sign in. Then voila, there we are. And it's showing me here that Zoom has removed the 40-minute time limit for school, so we can be on there longer than 40 minutes now. So that's a good thing too. Okay, so this is Zoom. Most of the time when we Zoom, I will be sending you an invite, and all you're going to do is you're going to go to your email, address, or to your email, and click on it, and then click on the link that's in there. Now, this is going to be really hard to actually show you what this looks like because I can't actually do it with myself here, I don't think. I can try here. So if I tried to schedule my own meeting, I can schedule a meeting, I can join a meeting, or I can host a meeting. And I'm going to host it with the video on. Now I'm going to open up Zoom here. Okay, so this is what you will see. I'm going to join with the computer audio here. All right. And for some reason it's not going to start the video because I'm actually using something else here right now. But basically what would happen is I'd have my face right up there on this black screen right here. So what I can do is I can chat with you. I can record this. There's also a place on here, and you'll just have to get on here and look at it and try it. But you can choose virtual background, so that way if you don't want me seeing your home, you can stick in virtual backgrounds. You can add photos, you can add images. So if I went to pictures and I wanted to throw that up there, it's going to download it. So now I have that. So once I get out of this, since I've clicked on this, what would be up here, if you could see me, would be that Chiefs logo and my face. You'd be able to see my face. So down here, if you're having troubles with sound quality or video, here's your two spots that you want to look at. And I also have the ability on my end to mute everybody so that only I can be heard, which if we're going to do this with everybody at once, I'm definitely going to have everybody muted until I'm ready for somebody to talk. Okay. Right here, you can send me messages as we're Zooming and talking as well. Okay. So that's Zoom in a nutshell. It's pretty simple. The basic thing is just either you can do this on your phone, on your tablet. Let me see if I can show you on my phone what it looks like. Uh, okay. So I know you're not going to be able to see this, but there's my phone. You can see you still have all those things down at the bottom. Okay. Click it again. All that stuff pops up down at the bottom. And then on your phone, you can actually flip the screen. So there you can see my face there, but everything's going on there too. So you can do it on your phone, your tablet, anything you have email. Click on it and you're good to go. That's it. If I totally confused you, I apologize. Now, as far as Google Classroom goes, very simple. If we get out here and go to Google, if you look up here to the right, you usually see a cluster of boxes in a square. Click on that. I'm going to click on Classroom. I have given you guys a code through an email. And you're just going to click on Mr. Robinette's Classroom if you need to know the code. Voila, there's my class code. When you get in, it may ask for that. It will ask for that. Put it in and you'll be able to join. Google Classroom's pretty simple. I will have assignments. Right now, I have currently posted just some links that you can go to. One of them here, I have Reading Eggs and Reading Eggs Express. There will be instructions. So if I go to classwork, you can see here there's a quiz that I sent to you guys through email. You can come to Google Classroom, click on that, and here's the small quiz that I gave everybody. Just kind of getting a feel of how everybody's feeling about everything that's going on. If they go down here and click on MobyMax, here's the link. Boom, you click on the link. Now this gets a little tricky. All you got to do here is just type in Meadowlark Ridge, click on Find, and then click Salina, and then there you go. You're right there to your username. Most of the students should know how to do that at this point, but it has been a few weeks, so I wouldn't be surprised if we've forgotten some. I also have Prodigy put in there, Reading Eggs put in there right now. I haven't assigned anything. Nothing is required at this point in time. We're still working through all the kinks of stuff, so I'm not worried about grades at this point either. So this is pretty much Google Classroom. They'll just go, they'll go and find their to-do list or their classes. And most of it will be here. You can see classwork up here, the people that are involved, grades, but like I said, we're not doing grades. So you'll just click on classwork, look to see what's there, and then do it. And then what you do is you'll see a button that says hit submit, and then that sends it to me to let me see what you've done. So that's Google Classroom in a nutshell. It's pretty simple. Go to Google, go to the cluster, find Classroom, click on it, put in the code to join my class. I believe once you've joined it the first time, you don't have to worry about it again, but if you do, it's always going to be right down here, or I can always email it to you. I am going to be using email a lot for everything that I do, for most of my communication. So please feel free to email me. Those of you who have my phone number, text me. That works too. But we are going to be figuring all this out together. This is definitely unprecedented, and different than something we've ever done. So I think this is going to be life changing. So hope everybody's doing well. Stay healthy. Watch your do your social distancing as much as you can, and hopefully we'll get started on this next week at some time, and hopefully we'll have some more information out to you here within the next couple days of how things are actually going to look. I know I'm curious of how it's going to look. So I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Again, if you have any questions, email me or text me. Bye.